Welcome to Learn Commerce PU online classes. Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.
Hello everyone, welcome to First PUC Statistics online classes. In the previous class we had discussed about how to tabulate the informations. In this class we are going to discuss similar type of problem, that is problem number 3. That is, in a state there were 30 lakh people. Out of this 10 lakh people live in urban areas and the rest in rural areas. In which areas are, there were 7 lakh male people, out of which 2.5 lakh are literates. In urban areas 2 lakh ladies were illiterates. In rural areas there were 15 lakh male people, out of which 5 lakh were literates. So in rural areas illiterate ladies were 3 lakh. Tabulate the above information. See, here given characteristics are, so see, in a state there were 30 lakh people, out of which 10 lakh people live in urban areas and rest are in rural areas. So in the sense what here given characteristics are, the first one is area of living. So here these classified characteristics are, one is urban, another one is rural. Okay, next, so here given observation, 7 lakh male people. So here given one more characteristics is gender. So gender is classified as male and female. So second characteristic is gender, and gender is classified male and female. And see, 7 lakh male people, out of which 2.5 lakh are illiterate. So literates in the sense what, here one more characteristics is given, that is literacy. Third one is literacy. So this literacy characteristics classified literate and illiterate. See, these are the given characteristics in this problem. So before tabulate the above information we need to write title. So title is, the table represents area wise living, yes, area wise living, gender, and the one more characteristic is, that is area of living, gender and literacy. So what is the title here? Table representing area wise living, gender and literate or literacy. So the title of the table is table represents area wise living, gender and literacy. So that characteristics I will write it on the table. So first one is, yes, that is, yeah, area of living. So I will write like this. So here I will write area of living. See, this area of living classified two characteristics, that is urban and rural. So here I will write urban and here I will write rural. And here I will write total. Okay, next characteristics are gender and literacy. So here I will write gender. So genders are male, females, the next is total. Here only one characteristic is remaining, that is literacy. That is literate and illiterate. So this is total. So this is for male population. So next I will write this literacy for female population. Here also literate, illiterate, and this is total. And here also I will write for total population, literates, illiterates, and total. Okay, this is blank table. See, so here for next I will write this given information on this table. So here see the given informations. See, this is in a state there were 30 lakh people. So there were 30 lakh people in the sense what? So in this area there were 30 lakh people are there. So in the sense that is total number of people are 30 lakh. So I will write 30 only. So yeah, 30 lakh. Next, so they didn't mention male people or female people or urban people or rural people. They given only 30 lakh people. So in the sense the total number of people are 30. So here I will write this is grand total. Here I will write 30. So in the sense what? This cell indicates total number of populations. So next, out of this 10 lakh people live in urban. So 10 lakh our total number of people. So out of which in the sense what, here 30 lakh people are there. So out of 30 lakh people, 10 lakh people live in urban. See, this is urban. So we need to write total number of people in urban. So they didn't mention male or female or literacy or literate or illiterate. They said only 10 lakh people live in urban. So in the sense what, total number of people in urban. So see, this cell indicates total number of people. So here I will write 10 lakh. Okay, next. And rest in rural areas. Next, in urban areas there was 7 lakh male people. See, in urban areas, see this is urban area. In urban area there were 7 lakh male people. So total number of male people, where to write? In urban area, total number of male people, where to write that number? So here, this is male population. So they didn't mention literate or illiterate people. They said total number of male people in urban. So here we need to write 7 lakh. Okay, next. Out of which in the sense what? Out of 7 lakh male people, 2.5 lakh are literates. So say out of this total male urban people, so out of which 2.5 lakh are literates. So here literate male in urban, literate male column is this column represents in urban literate male populations. Here we need to write 2.5. Next, in urban areas, so see, same thing, this column. In urban areas 2 lakh ladies were illiterates. So this column indicates what? Female population. So what it says, in urban area 2 lakh ladies were illiterates. See, this is illiterate column. So this column indicates in urban illiterate female populations. So here given observation what? Urban areas 2 lakh ladies were illiterate. So here we need to write 2 lakh. Next, in rural areas there were 15 lakh male people, out of which 5 lakh were literates. So in rural area, see this is rural area, there were 15 lakh male people. So in rural area the total number of male people. So this cell indicates so total number of male people in rural area. So here given information that is 15 lakhs. So here we need to write 15. So out of which 5 lakh were literate. So out of which 5 lakh were literate. See, this column indicates literate male population in rural. So here we need to write 5. Okay, literates. Okay, in rural areas, illiterate ladies were 3 lakh. In rural areas, so this is ladies column, no? So ladies illiterate in rural areas. So this column indicates in rural area illiterate ladies. So here we need to write 3 lakh. See, these are the given information in this question. Now using this observation we can find the remaining observations also. So that I will write here, this is footnote, and here one more term below the footnote, one more part of the table is there, that is source. So see, in this problem they didn't given source, this is imaginary observations. See, so see, okay, first let's see male populations only. Male populations only. First I will consider only male population. See here, total male populations are given, that is 7, and out of which in urban area, out of which 2.5 males are literates. Then how to find out illiterate male population in urban? See, so we need to find this observation. How to find out this observation? That is 7 minus this one, 7 minus 2.5, then we will get this one. So how to find out that? 7 minus 2.5, that is 4.5. So how to find out 4.5, students? That is 7 minus 2.5. Okay, next. Now I will find this observation. How to find out this one? So this here given, see this column indicates illiterate male population in rural areas. So how to find out this? See here given total number of males in rural area and literate male population in rural area. If I subtract from total this literate male population, then I will get illiterate male population in rural areas. So that is 15 minus 5, 10. So how to find out this? That is 15 minus 5. Okay, next, see here 5 plus 2.5 is 7.5. Then is 10 plus 4.5 is 14.5. Then this 15 plus 7 is 222. So see here male populations are over. Next let's see how to solve this female populations. Before that, first I will solve this total population. See here total populations are given like this. So how to find? See here 10 is given. 10 in the sense what? They are total urban populations. So here total populations are 30 lakh and this total number of urban population is 10 lakh. Then what about total number of rural population? So how to find out? From this, if I subtract this value, then I will get this value. So here, so that is 30 minus 10 in the sense what? 20. So how to calculate 20? That is 30 minus 10. So this is all about total. Okay, next. Now, so here this one we can easily calculate, no? So here this value is given. What is this? This is illiterate female population in urban. This is illiterate female population in rural. So then how to find out this total observation? So if I add these two observations, then I will get this total. That is 2 plus 5, 2 lakh plus 3 lakh in the sense what? That is 5 lakh. So here how to calculate 5 lakh? That is 2 plus 3. So this is 5 lakh. Next. So see here male illiterate population, we found this male illiterate columns. See here we did this one, and see here female illiterate columns are calculated. So now we can easily calculate total illiterate columns. See, so this cell indicates total number of illiterate population in urban. See, this cell indicates total number of illiterate population in urban. See, so in the sense what? This is male illiterate population plus female illiterate population is equal to total illiterate populations. I hope you understood. So this total illiterate population in urban indicates male illiterate population plus female illiterate population is equal to total illiterate population. So how to calculate this one? That is, if I add male illiterate population in urban plus female illiterate population in urban, then I will get total illiterate population in urban. that is, so this is 4.5 plus 2, that is 6.5. Similarly, how to find out rural illiterate, total number of illiterate population in rural? Same thing. If I add illiterate male population in rural plus illiterate female population in rural, then I will get total number of illiterate populations. So that is 10 plus 3, so 13. Okay, next. So these are the given observations. See, now I can easily calculate total number of illiterate populations. So how to find out total number of illiterate populations? That is 6.5 plus 13, that is 19.5. See, now just look at in total columns. See, in total columns only this total literate urban population is remaining, total literate rural population is remaining, and total illiterate population is remaining. So how to calculate? See, in total, see, we already calculated this one. What is this? Total number of urban population and total number of illiterate population. So how to calculate total number of literate population in urban? So here total is there, then total number of illiterate population is there, then total number of literate populations are not there. So in urban, so how to calculate? From this, if I subtract this value, then I will get total number of literate population in urban areas. That is 10 minus 6.5 is 3.5. Okay, next. Now I can easily calculate this column also because it is based on totals. So see, it column indicates total population in rural, this column indicates total illiterate population in rural, and this column indicates total illiterate population in rural. See, so here totals are there. We can easily calculate this one. How to calculate this one? From this, if I subtract this one, I will get this, that is 20 minus 13 is 7. So here we found these two observations, then I can easily calculate this one. So how to calculate this one? That is, if I add this, so it means this column indicates total number of total number of literates. So how to find total number of literates? See, here given observations are, so here total number of literate population in urban is given, total number of literate population in rural is given, then we can easily calculate total number of literate populations, that is 3.5 plus 7 is 10.5. Okay, next, now I will just cross check this observation. See, here 3.5 plus 6.5 is 10, 7 plus 13 is 20, 10.5 plus 19.5 is 30. Next, 3.5 plus 7 is 10.5, then 6.5 plus 13 is 19.5, and 10 plus 20 is 30. So these are satisfied here. Next, so here only these observations are remaining. How to find out these observations? See, this cell indicates, that is total number of illiterate female population in urban. So this cell indicates number of illiterate population in urban. So how to find this cell? See, so here we have total number of literate population, and here we have total number of literate male populations. Then we can easily calculate total number of literate populations, right? So in the sense, so this cell is, yeah, see, this is total literates is equal to male literates plus female literates. So here total literates in the sense, so here total literates in urban, so that is 3.5, and we have already found male literate in urban, that is 4.5. Then how to calculate this female populations? Yes, how to find this one? So from this, sorry, this is 2.5, no, I am sorry. Then here we need to find female literates. So plus x. So how to find this? That is 3.5 minus 2.5 is equal to x. So 3.5 minus 2.5 in the sense is 1. So here x is equal to 1. Here what is x? X is female literates. So in the place of female literate in urban I will write 1. Like that we can find this one also. So in this cell indicates literate female population in rural. So similarly if I substitute same thing here also. See here total literate population. So here it is 7 is equal to male literate population, that is 5. And here we need to find literate female population in rural, that is we don't know. Write x. So in the sense what? 7 minus 5 is equal to x. So 7 minus 5 is 2. So x is equal to 2. So in this place, so here x in the sense what? Female literate in rural. So in the place this I will write 2. So see, now we can easily calculate total. So how to find out total? That is this literate female population in urban plus literate female population in rural, that is equal to total literate population, that is 1 plus 2 is 3. So next, so now we can easily, so here all the observations are there, then we can easily calculate total. So what is total here? Total in the sense what? This value plus this one. So 1 plus 2 is 3. So this cell indicates that is total number of female population in urban, and this column indicates total number of female population is rural. So here given informations are, so illiterate female population in rural is given and illiterate female population in rural is given. So if I add literate female population and illiterate female population in rural, then I will get rural population in a rural total female population, that is 2 plus 3 is 5. So this is, then what is total this? This is total number of females, that is 5 plus 3. So 3 in the sense what? Total number of urban female population. This is total number of rural female population. So this gives total female population, that is 3 plus 5 is 8. See, just I will cross check. So this one over. Next let's see female population, that is 3 plus 5 is 8, 2 plus 3 is 5, 1 plus 2 is 3. So 3 plus 5 is 8, 2 plus 3 is 5, 1 plus 2 is 3. Like that here 2 plus 5 plus 2.5 plus 4.5 is 7, 5 plus 5 is 15, 5 plus 7 plus 5 plus 14.5 is 22. Like that 22.5 plus 5 is 7.5, 4.5 plus 10 is 14.5, like that 7 plus 15 is 22. Like that, see, this total plus this total is equal to this one. So 22 plus 8 is equal to 30. So next, this total is equal to this total. So this total in the sense what? That is literate total, so male population in rural plus female population in rural is equal to total population in the rural. Okay, next this cell is, that is total male population in urban plus total female population in urban, that is equal to total population in urban. Okay, this is all about this this is tabulation about this given information. Thank you for watching this video.
Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.